The real world is not a finished product.
Babies have intense feelings which are chaotic. It is not organized into a framework. It is not yet discovered a form. So the voice, the eye contact, the touch all become part of the openness in the baby. So the openness of the baby is linked to the mothering presence. When the mothering presence comes, the baby is able to create a form of a relationship in which the entire gamut of emotions exists, from love to envy.
कितना माँ 5:30 बज गया?
Feelings and continuous experiences come together and form a memory. There is 100% recall in the brain. Nothing is lost ever. First few months, if you expose the babies to very sharp sensations, it creates a lot of problems.
पहली बार एक ऐसा मुकाबला जो सपनों को सपनों से लड़ाएगा.
The moving images, how much of that gets into the unconscious? It is something which is so invading that it cannot be contained in the young child.
Children learn from many teachers. One of the most powerful teachers today is television.
ये है राहुल. अपने मम्मी डैडी के लिए कितनी मेहनत करता है. पसीना बहा के सब कुछ त्याग करके रोज 4 से 8 बजे तक विदाउट फेल टीवी देखता है.
हम लोग टीवी बहुत देखते हैं. हम टीवी 5 घंटे. मैं 1:30 को आते तो मैं 3 o'clock तक देख लेता हूँ. पर अगर एग्जाम के टाइम रहेगा तो हम लोग टीवी ज्यादा नहीं देखते, ओनली 2 hours.
See, baby needs an interaction. If there is no interaction, baby loses interest. When the language is formed, then the interaction can take place. Say by age of 2, 3, around 3 definitely.
जूता पहन सकता हूँ लेकिन अंदर का सोल टूटा हुआ.
Yeah, okay. So the time to tell me is on a Friday evening, not on a Monday morning.
अरे it's not a problem to me because I know you are not going to do anything.
Arey, you've never given me a chance. That's so unfair. Have you told me?
बहुत बार बोले.
Don't
I
lie.
have told you before, ma. Don't like ya.
Then in the school, the children talk about this is better than that. Because good, better, great is a great measurement in kids. So what is the best a child says? That child might become the leader of an opinion. And that leader of the opinion can get attached to the ads.
कल तुम सब राजू के लिए प्रिया गोल्ड स्नैक zigzag biscuits लाओगे.
The most effective way to sell your product used to be through mom and dad. Not anymore. Today, even adult products are marketed through children.
एड्रेस से 15 मिनट्स ऐसे 1 घंटे में कम से
हम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस बुलाएंगे आपको.
जो प्रोडक्ट एडवर्टाइज होते हैं उसमें मुझे भरोसा है. ऐड दिखते तो मन चाहता है कि अभी जाके हम लोग ले लें. अच्छा ऐड रहते तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है, नहीं तो ऑफर के ऊपर मतलब कुछ फ्री भी रहेगा तो ज्यादा लेते हैं.
India is still a family-centric market. We live through our children. We want to give them the best. Parental guilt about prioritizing work over family makes us give them more spending money. We also involve them in the decision-making process. Consequently, children have more money, more knowledge, more choice, and more influence within the family than ever before, and advertisers know it. Child psychologists are being roped in as marketing consultants to harness what they call pester power. But what about the children? What's happening to the spatial and temporal boundaries of their universe? And what of traditions and customs that go back centuries in this land?
Out. That's out. कौन सी है? Varun. हाँ चल Varun. चल. We were playing cricket. Then Chotu came in between and started dancing. So I told him to go away. He was not going. So I shouted at him and I tapped him on his head. He went and told his mother that I slapped him and his ear was ringing. So his mother came and shouted at me.
You better not go downstairs.
एग्जाम ऑन तो नो टेंशन।
मैं अभी जाके बोल गई कि आंटी मैं ट्यूशन रोक रही हूँ करके आज से।
अगर चल लेट हुआ ना तेरे को तो फीस देनी पड़ेगी एक्स्ट्रा।
अमिता को 35 out of 40 मिला।
मेरा फर्स्ट डे आज। बाय।
One gamble, one day this, one day that. तुमको क्या? You think it's a joke?
No, Mama.
Agra, for weeks I told you find out.
I've been also saying I want to go to the Assam, but then you.
Now I have to call her. I have to do all this. Now I have to call her and say I'm sorry.
Then I'll go to her only. What is this?
Minus x is equal to
Minus x equals to 4 minus 3. No, this will be plus
12 minus 4 minus 3 करो.
4 plus 3 it will be, no?
What is the problem? Why don't you explain to me? What?
I don't know.
1 second, will you stay out of it?
I'm lazy. Everything that I see, it does not contact my brain exactly, meaning.
There is no shortcut to hard work. You better get used to that idea. All you do is you sit and watch TV all day. Come on, get up. Aja, I need to see you work. Come on, get up. Get up.
पढ़ के मैं तो थक गई।
थोड़ा हंगामा टीवी देखो और हंगामा करो।
आजा देखो फेवरेट शो दिखाओ।
You have to eat, Aja. Enough.
अम्मा नहीं होता।
No, you can eat junk. You can fill up on junk.
I am loving it.
TV is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Over the last 100 years, we've been witnessing the emergence of the age of crowds without ties between people, as opposed to the age of communities when people were linked by strong social bonds. When we no longer receive information through family and friends, we turn to mass media. Initially, media was seen as all-powerful, able to shape both belief and behavior according to the message. This magic bullet theory, with roots in psychology and behaviorism, suggested that a media message had immediate, direct, and uniform effects on all who received it.
I've been telling you and telling you all day. You just don't care.
Fine.
5:30 का? हाँ मैं करूँ।
अच्छा मैंने मोबाइल का लगाया लेकिन टेलीफोन का नहीं लगा।
Advertising is the lifeblood of any mass media, and Indian advertising has come of age in the last 10 years. Many of the ads broadcast today are masterpieces, the creations of brilliant minds and hugely talented people whose sole goal is to make us buy.
I like the informal process of allowing the mind to say, hey, this is the problem, this is the person to speak to. What is the most interesting way in saying a story to this person, which will interest him, involve him, make him actually feel that he is participating in the communication rather than being spoon-fed.
In fact, the commercials are so good that children treat them as an essential part of the entertainment that TV provides.
Happy drink white gum. Smile, please.
The question is, can children process these advertising messages in the context of their reality and need? Or will it all end in an orgy of greed, mass consumption, and failed promise?
जब ad लगती है ना, तब मम्मी change करती है तो मैं रोता हूँ. Then ad definitely works 100% with me. Whatever I see, I buy it. Earlier it was whatever you get, you gotta accept it. Now you want things, you demand for them, like you say I want it, and the parents can't do anything.
For small children who can't understand all these things, they might get greedy and jealous.
So advertising is based on an idea that if you repeat and repeat and repeat the message, you will remember it. So it has to take up images of the culture.
खुशी का प्याम कहीं कहीं दर्द ना आया.
So those guys in advertising who are successful are able to imagine and connect to the images from their lives and the lives of the people they know. culture, and then you pick those up and it'll work.
Normally we are creating television for the country, and the country is huge. It has so many sensibilities, it has so many languages, it has so many cultural restrictions, and if we can crack it for this country in a big way, I'm sure you would have cracked it for the world.
We are definitely becoming a consumerist society. India will become just like America in like 10 or 20 years. It's gonna be bad, but yeah, people will live.
The thing about the magic bullet theory is that by treating audiences as passive non-negotiators, it bypasses a whole nexus of other factors that inform the media-audience relationship. It places text above audience and sees the message as a fixed entity received by people incapable of decoding it. Nothing could be further from the truth.
On है अभी भी on है. Why the computer hangs? What? The computer hangs. आधरा से चलना. I didn't do it. Okay, hey. तेरे बैठने के बाद हुआ ना. मैं बैठी नहीं. टच कर माउस को टच करने के बाद हुआ ना. माउस को. ऐसे माउस टच किया बस. That's your fault because it's not right. कौन सी सब्जी? शिमला वापस.
You're in big trouble, friend.
Why?
Their auntie went and gave a complaint against you.
When you see these children whose parents are so difficult, why don't you just stay away from them?
Then you tell her no first.
I am not interested. That's why I don't go and talk to her.
सुनना पड़ा ना आपकी वजह से.
What is your problem with coming home?
अच्छा ठीक है.
You stop going out to play. Your temper is something else. You don't listen to anybody. You don't take instruction. You think you know best? Shut up.
Mass communication is an interactive process that begins when audiences, for whatever reason, make a conscious and motivated choice to tune in. They search actively for programs that give them information which they need, like, and use. It is they who use TV, rather than TV using them.
So the advertisement's aim is to create desire, not just information about what the product is. So within the 30 seconds, there is a play which sells you an object.
Human figures sir.
Objects which we can buy to become comfortable. There are no limits. You can buy anything you desire.
The full height of a grown-up man.
Now this creates a false idea of well-being. The greed will get married to desire.
How much was the book for?
When it gets married to desire, it begins to have more and more desire to have it. More than I need, more than I want. So the balance in the self begins to change.
The idea that children are particularly vulnerable to advertising ignores their ability to dismiss messages that are not in sync with their values and needs. Children today are both perceptive and selective. They have access to all kinds of information, and their critical abilities make them a tough audience to please. They reject miscast actors, poor entertainment values, boring images, or too many words. And if it is true that media construct reality in the way they present it, it is equally true that audiences everywhere, children included, reinterpret these constructions through the prisms of their own uniquely personal realities. They're quite capable of negotiating media influence on their own.
Well, she was just 17, and you know what I mean, and the way she looked way beyond compare. I couldn't dance with another. So when I teach, my accent is on this.
I have got 3 kids. It's all this Cartoon Network, everything is very, basically it's so overwhelming, you don't know where it goes. Because what seems to be happening is that they get this little feeling of, everything is nicely encapsulated. So they don't develop the capability of seeing things in a much larger context.
How do you sing so well?
But there is a trend also, they seem to be tracking commercials. Sometimes the programs are so bad, they like the commercials better. Which I also agree sometimes.
As a group, we all get woven together through common myths. So if we form a group, the group will immediately have a myth, conscious or unconscious, immediately. So say there is lots of stories and myths about comfort. We all want comfort. So those myths will be common to all of us. First time in our culture, in last few years, more and more people have comfort of choice. And that creates naturally a desire, multiple desires.
In terms of architecture, there are no surprises. Once you enter the building, you have one atrium, you see everybody, everything is well organized. And going for a curvilinear form, the advantage is that when you sit in one place, your eyesight can track from the sideways also.
Oh my God! Whatever he'll see, he wants everything for cars, and now the Pokemon fad is there, so he wants Pokemon.
छोटे से लेके बड़े तक आज की तारीख में बच्चे लोग मांग रहे हैं स्पाइडरमैन जो उसका मूवी रिलीज हुआ तो मर्चेंडाइज के बीच में मिलते हैं वाइट एंड वाइट वैरायटी है
टीवी देख के तो उन लोगों की शॉपिंग कुछ ज़्यादा ही बढ़ जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा। बड़े बेटे की तो फरमाइश है कंप्यूटर लेना है, छोटे वाले की फरमाइश है मोटरसाइकिल लेनी है।
One economist has come up with this term called conspicuous consumption. That people are just indulging in themselves and just eating out, and shopping around and all kinds of. It is tied up with one concept called velocity of money. The faster you spend, the money keeps moving from pocket to pocket. And when it moves from pocket to pocket, it leaves behind residual benefits to others, which in the overall context of the society improves the society as a lot. So if you have money and you don't spend it, and I have money and I don't spend it, everything comes to a kind of a depression. This argument is very persuasive because when Americans came with the Great Depression and all, this increased spending actually improved the economy.
Ice cream stall,
ये अपना चिप शॉप,
drink stall,
रीनेम करते हैं ना, पेप्सी.
Mass media actually serves only one part of the wider range of human needs.
चल अभी तू खेल, जल्दी खेल, जल्दी. मार, kill him, मार दे, kill him.
What really drives children today is not so much TV as the approval and envy of their friends and peers.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot what you
To be on the cutting edge of cool is the most important thing.
Mrs. America.
See, envy is as old as love. Without love, there is no envy, and without envy, there is no love. Envy is a feeling which wants to degrade in its heart.
This is Mexico.
Because it's meant for stripping away of qualities which you admire. So the first person we all admire is the mother, the magic of the milk. So when we very basically envy that, then we will also envy everything in life which we admire.
This is Canada.
But it is destructive and is very painful. So we try to obliterate and put into oblivion. Then the envy as a monster feeds on itself. So every frustration hastens envy. So envy and greed will multiply. Now we want our envy to be reduced magically. You have to understand that envy has to meet love. If it meets love, then the love will recognize that I am being destroyed by envy. So I want to protect myself from that destruction. That is the step which will contain the envy. when there is a failure of the myths which to contain us.
हो गया इसका हो गया वही when we are watching the TV and we are seeing कुछ के साथ this thing is very tasty so immediately I had also we go to our parents and say dad mom we want this thing ये बहुत TV पे अच्छा दिखा रहा है everybody is telling it is nice so it comes as a direct
chocolate lays and the ad which I like the most is I'm very talkative in nature so I like the Channel Butter ad because I always like to give my actually good
Heading for some fun, so follow us, stay here.
like they show in many of the ads कि the children over there wearing such nice dresses like they were and meeting the team and I tell my mom just look at this dress so beautiful next time I'm going to buy a dress like that
you always get carried away by the advertisements there is no definite thing
दीदी आपने कुछ सब कलर लगे टीवी ज्यादा दे हम लोग चालू नहीं करते ज्यादा नहीं ज्यादा वो लोग बोल बैठ करते ये नहीं क्या इंग्लिश कार्यक्रम में बच्चे लोग का कार्टून कार्टून कसौटी सब देखते बोलते हैं पापा मेरे को ये मांगता है वो मांगता है ऐसा बोलते हैं ना सब लोग आंखें में पानी निकलता है वो लोग का अभी तो बहुत खिलाने के लिए बोलते किसे किधर गए किसे पहले मेरे तरफ से किसे तुम्हारे जेब में था अभी सुबह उधर
आंटी उधर एकदम खिड़की के सामने
मैंने तो टेबल पे रखा है
हाँ टेबल
अभी मना ही है देखने के लिए कार्यक्रम सब बकवास है ऐसा लेकर आया था पेपर में अच्छा नहीं है भाई लोग बिगड़ते इससे ऐसा बोलते थे
बिखरी लटे हैं तेरी नैन कर बतिया लगता है सोई नहीं कल सारी रतिया
My father. That was his full right picture. I had a teaching assistantship for 9 months, but then I had to earn for the other 3 months. So I took up a job in a community college in Missouri, and I got my money. And then I came back to Kansas State. The beetle. That is my gorgeous beetle. This is our home in Nigeria. This is where we got those 2 dogs from, Puttu and Junior. The first Dachshunds we have, they came from our neighbor's house. And that's our neighbor's house, and we have to remember that one.
ये मेरा प्यारा टिन्नू है
Isn't here, isn't it? Because he can hear what? 10 times as loud as we can? Right? But we all do miss him. Huh?
Because it wasn't his fault. It may have been the saline.
But I was thinking how similarly Nana and Teeny passed away. Huh? When I saw that oxygen cylinder next to him, that's exactly what happened to Nana. He died with a mask. Teeny also died with a mask. Yeah, today we were talking about him so much. But what to do, what to do? Life moves on. What is the best thing you like about Deepavali? Tell me. What's the best thing?
Toys.
What is it? Toys? Toys? You buy toys for Deepavali.
Advertising has to do a lot with your self-image, and sometimes religion becomes a ritual which has that meaning of fulfilling the self-image. If you worship God, you are safe. If you have objects, then your status in the world is secure, your self-image. But if you don't have advertising, then you have other problems. If we are mass production society, we need ads, but we can definitely create discrimination. But discrimination is based on knowledge and not on non-thinking desire to buy. Then we don't fall into the mythological world which the ads create. If you have this, you will be well-being. Really, it's like developing idea of wisdom. So if we can develop that, then advertisement will also change, will also become more discriminating.
Liberalization is both a correlation and an effect. Communication technologies are bound to get more sophisticated in the years to come, and information received through mass media ultimately empowers people to engage more fully in economic and political processes everywhere.
Only a thin line separates the revolutionaries from the madmen.
Perhaps it's time to suspend value judgment and deal with the real.
And truly he was Santa Claus, right? Right? He was truly Santa Claus. He brought happiness in his bag and gave it to all of us. The true Santa Claus. What do you say, Float?
खुद से अनजान हूँ मैं, खुद से बेगाना, क्या देखती है तुम्हारी नजर मुझको बताना।
दो आँखें हैं,
आँखों में क्या है?
एक चेहरा है,
किसका चेहरा है?
पूछो अपने दिल से, पूछो पूछो हवाओं से।
खोया खोया था दुनिया की राहों में, तुझसे मिलके हूँ मैं खोया, तेरी निगाहों में खोया खोया सा।